Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video. It is like a challenge, makeup challenge, and I had seen this video like a year back honestly, and I really don't know on whose channel did I see, but I didn't actually see much of it. So it's like you will do alternate layers of drugstore and high-end. I mean, if you start from like primer from drugstore, then the next step will be your foundation will be like high end. So I have like removed all of the things accordingly. So I am really not sure whose video was that, but I'm really sorry. This is nothing new. It was an old one, and I was actually it was actually written in my notes that I have to make this video, but I was actually kind of not feeling it. But anyways, I thought today I'm just gonna film this. So today we'll be doing our makeup in alternate layers, and I really don't know how do I even explain it. Anyways, if you are new here to my channel, my name is Sharmeen. I do makeup related videos. I am not sure why my camera is not focusing. So I do makeup related videos, reviews, tutorials. So if you come across my channel, do subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I'm uploading a video. The link to my Instagram is also there in the description below. If you want, you can check it out, because I do totally different content there, and I'm really tired of saying that again and again in every video. I think I should stop that. But anyways, without wasting time, let's get in, because it's like already 3:30, so I have to make like 2 videos. So anyways, let's get into the video, and I'll just adjust my camera focusing, and I'll just be back. So it's actually really hot. I had to tie my hair. My air conditioning is on, but still it is so hot. As soon as I applied my moisturizer, I mean, I was like melting off. So anyways, now I am actually gonna start with this primer. I just used once in the Wet n Wild video, and I haven't used. I mean, it adds like an additional step, so I usually don't try primer. And I mean, it was just like a moisturizer, so I'm just going to use that. I mean, I'm actually like breaking out a lot, because I mean I actually gone out on weekends for some work. Well, I mean, I was actually roaming around. I mean, I was wearing the mask, and it is so hot here. If you are from here, you know how hot it is. So I mean, I was kind of breaking out like here, and if you are just sitting at home like since quarantine time, you know how hard it gets. Anyway, that is all for moisturizer. It's a nice moisturizer. It is like sticky kind, but I think I should start using it, because I really don't want to get bad. So that is all actually for the primer. Now that the primer is done, I'm gonna go with the second step, and I'm going to use the high-end foundation, which is Makeup Forever Reboot, one of my favorite, and it's actually really pretty. I mean, I didn't actually do a review but I mean, it's really very pretty foundation, very beautiful, similar to the Wet n Wild one, the dewy one, but I mean, that is more like thin consistency. I mean, but this is also really pretty and one of my favorite. This is actually my first video. I'm actually sitting like after so many days. It is actually Wednesday, and I think last Tuesday I had filmed like the last video, and I actually didn't feel like filming any video on Wednesday and Thursday, because I mean, I was kind of filming like a lot of videos. I was actually getting a little bit lazy to film like videos, and I didn't film. Then the entire weekend I was out, not even on Sunday and not even Monday. Yesterday also I was just editing, because I had to like post today's video. I was back on track. I was actually like filming a lot of videos every day for Insta and YouTube as well, but now that I have skipped like almost 1 week, I really don't have videos now to like post, because I really want to like be ahead like 1 week. So I mean, if there is something important that I need to film, that I will obviously film. So that is all for foundation, and as you can see, it is so pretty, and my mustache is out of control. And now for concealer, I'm actually really tired of this fire alarm. It's been like 2 weeks since it has started drinking. Like every morning it starts like around 9, and after every half an hour it starts drinking. Anyways, not a problem, because I mean, they are doing some maintenance work. So now for the concealer, I'm actually going to use the L'Oreal Paris More Than Infallible More Than concealer in the shade 327 Cashmere. So this is a nice drugstore concealer, and I really like it. And my high-end and drugstore both videos are up. I mean, my collection, high-end and drugstore makeup collection, if I wasn't a beauty guru YouTuber. So that video is already up today. I uploaded the drugstore one, so if you want to know like my favorite things that I would always have it in my collection, do watch that, so you will actually have an idea and you will get like a lot of recommendations also. So yeah, watch that video. So I am actually just going to like blend, and oh my god, I actually like applied like too much, and I like to use my concealer only as my eyeshadow primer. I mean, I like applied like too much actually. I mean, I applied like so much that it has got into my eyes. I actually want to pierce my ears, like some more piercing. These two and these two I had done like 2.5 years back when I had last gone to India, and it almost took like 2 years to like heal. This one actually, this was actually not healing. I mean, it was really getting bad. So I mean, even after 2 years it was actually getting really bad. So one day I just removed it off. I was like, I'm just going to remove it, and even if it closes, I mean, I am really fine with it. But I don't know, somehow after 2 or 3 days it got better, and it's better now. But I don't know, last week again it started hurting me, so I had applied like the Body Shop tea tree oil on that, and it really healed again. So that's better now. I had thought actually that I will be piercing like some more when I go back to India, but I really don't know when I'm gonna go. Anyways, I'll see here where can I actually pierce my ears. But now I'm actually going to use my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, because obviously this was the only thing that I have from high end. So first I actually removed the powder, and according to that I was actually placing all the things like high end or drugstore, because I don't have any drugstore loose powder, and I prefer to use loose powder for my setting my under eyes because it doesn't look cakey or heavy. I really need to get like a lighter color in the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. I don't really know why it's not available like here on Lifestyle or even on Numsheet. There are so many Maybelline products, but I don't really know why that is not available. Now we'll actually go with blush. So I think I will be using the Just Blushing blush from LA Girl, and this is the shade Just Peachy. And I mean, these were all the things that I had filmed like a couple of days back, so that is all that is there on my table. And this is a very pretty peachy. After you like sit to shoot video, like after a few days, you really don't know what to talk about. Words like really don't come out of your mouth. I am actually that person. Even if you like sit with me and if you don't start to talk, I am also not gonna start to talk. I mean, that's really bad actually, but really can't help it. So we actually have that for the blush. Now going on to the bronze, I'm going to use the Chocolate Soleil from Too Faced, and I'm just going to like bronze up. And I mean, on weekends, like it was like 3 days that we were like roaming around, and I mean, we were like using hand sanitizer like so much that my skin was like peeling off from my palm area. I don't know, but I mean, we were actually using like a ton. Now I am actually going to set my face really quickly, so I'm going to use the drugstore one, which is the L'Oreal Shake and Glow setting spray, and this is really nice. Seriously very pretty. I want to actually buy a backup of it, and this is also not available here in Middle East. I mean, I really don't know why. You have to like order it from Look Fantastic. So that is actually all for my base makeup. I need to actually buy a good fan. Actually not working, I think, because the blades got stuck in my hair. Anyways, now for highlighter, I'm actually going to use the Anastasia Ambresi highlighter, because why not? Seriously don't want to use it because I don't think you can get your hands on it. It is like out of stock, but I mean, it is so pretty. And I'm actually gonna film like a second video after this, like eyeing and not buying new makeup products. So I have to actually film that because there is a lot of good new things and holiday collection that is actually releasing. So I need to actually film that for like tomorrow. So after I'm done with this video, I'm actually gonna sit and shoot that video also. Now going for eyebrows, I have like the drugstore one because but I really don't want to use it. So I'm actually gonna use the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil in the shade Warm Brown. I'm just gonna use this pencil and like fill in my brows. I have like these two are my drugstore things. I don't have any high-end gel mascara, so I'm just gonna count that as one. Then we'll go on to the next step. So now I'm just going to like fill in my brows. I'll just be back because it is gonna take me like years to fill in. I think I have to use the shade brunette because this is kind of too light for me, so I'm just gonna use the shade brunette and I'll be just back. So guys, I'm actually back and my brows are looking so bad. I don't know, I had stopped like using pencil. Now going on to eyeshadow, I really don't want to do any heavy makeup. I just want to do very simple eye look, and I have done this like look long back. Now for eyeshadow, I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Neon palette in the shade orange. Yeah, this is the orange one. So I just want to do like bright inner corners and just some color in my waterline, in my crease. Really don't want to do any heavy eye look, so I am actually gonna take like this center one and I am just going to like put it in my crease. I'm just going to like lightly like do a wash of color on my entire lids. I'm going to use the same thing on my lower lash line. Now actually for the inner corners, I want to use this color because I am actually going to put this like in my inner corners like that, and I'm just going to drag it like here so that it looks connected with my crease shade. Now I'm going to take like a small brush. I'm actually going to take this yellow shimmer color. I'm just going to like put it on top of it so I have like something, because I am actually not doing any heavy makeup because I mean my skin is so dry, so dry. And same thing, little bit I'm just going to like put here. That's it. Actually I really don't want to do anything else. Seriously, that is actually all for my eye makeup. I mean, that was the fastest eye look that I could do. So I just want to put this in my waterline, so I'm using this Essence gel liner in the shade Silky Nude. This is a nice nude gel crayon, so I'm just going to put this in my waterline. See, that is so nice. I mean, please don't be scared looking at my face like that. That is actually for eyes. Trust me guys, I don't want to use an eyelash also because I am not feeling, and I mean just for simple looks I usually prefer to use a mascara, so I am actually gonna use a mascara actually for that. No, I actually have to use like a high end now, so I think for high end I just have samples, so I am going to use something from that. I just have this one, Hourglass one, but the wand is so huge. I mean, this is a tiny sample. I am sorry about that. I mean, this is a sample size, so I mean the wand gets too big for the handle. And the wand is so huge. Anyways, I'm just gonna quickly do my eyelashes. Guys, I'm just gonna quickly do that, or otherwise I'll just be here sitting doing this. So I'll just be back. Now guys, that I am actually done with the mascara, and I think this mascara has like tiny fibers to it. This was the previous one that they had come out with. Now I think they have like a newer one, but I mean it's actually really nice. It makes my lashes really good. So that is for lashes. Now for lips, actually I'm so excited because I really don't have any high-end one. I have to use like a drugstore one, so I want to use the LA Girl lip liner in the shade Sugar and Spice, my favorite. It's really pretty actually. So I am actually going to use this to line my lips. Seriously guys, it is actually really nice. You should actually try it. Now for lipstick, I am actually gonna maybe use the NARS one. So this is the NARS lip gloss in the, this is the Audacious lipstick in the shade Bridget, and it is a really pretty like pinky nude color, so I'm just going to use this. I mean, this lipstick is like a lipstick size. The other one that I have from NARS, I mean, I think those are the iconic ones. I seriously don't understand why they are like tiny ones. This color is actually really pretty pinky nudie color. Now for lip gloss, I have to use like a drugstore one, so I am actually going to use the Essence Plumping Lip Gloss in the shade 01 XXL Charm. Just going to use a little bit. That is for lips, and I'm just going to wipe this off before putting it. Now it's actually clean. So that is for lips, and actually that is all for my makeup. And this is usually these steps, and I do my makeup like in these steps. So this is how my makeup has turned out. I mean, yeah, it's pretty good actually, because I wanted to do a very simple look obviously, so I actually did that. So yeah guys, this was all for actually like today's video, and I mean there was nothing like something great about it, but I mean I just wanted to see whether I could actually finish like my makeup doing like alternate high-end and drugstore one, and I really could actually do, so I'm really glad about it. And but anyways guys, if you have any makeup challenge ideas, please do let me know in the comments below, because I'm kind of like running out of makeup challenges and I really want to put like one video per week, because I mean these are like fun to like shoot, and I mean I really enjoy doing this video rather than just like serious typical like serious review videos. If you have any makeup challenge ideas, please do let me know in the comments below. And I mean I haven't like started any makeup series, so I have to do that also, and if you have any ideas, do let me know in the comments below. Yeah guys, this was actually all for today's video, and there was nothing as such. I wanted to just do a simple makeup, so I just did that. Anyways, that was all actually for today's video. I really hope you like it. So yeah guys, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.